Not enough people realize, though, that you don't have to write that check. Perfect example. This 22-year-old now makes millions of dollars a year with car washes. But where did she start? Hannah actually started at 12-hour shifts on a factory floor before she decided she wanted a car wash. Her dad, he was a factory worker too. Like, she came from nothing. What did she do to get the cash to do this? She cold called the owner of a local self-serve car.
This is the only way to come from nothing and get rich, guys. It literally is the only guaranteed way. I'm sorry. And with SBA increasing limits to 10 million, it's probably one of the most significantly best things that's happened to individuals in this country, probably in my lifetime.
Car wash, had like 6 bays, vending machines, 3 vacuums. She made a relationship with him and then made an offer with $0 cash down. Why did this work? Is the owner crazy? No. The owner was ready to exit.
Ready to exit, needs to retire. Who's he going to give it to if he doesn't have kids? Sometimes the kids don't want it.
And what was fascinating is Hannah took over operations, handed the owner the majority of the revenue until the purchase price was covered, and kept her cut from day one. Now the car wash brings in $7,400 a month, and she owns more of them. Then we've got my friend over here, Investment Joy. He ran the exact same play, but different scale. He bought 2 car washes and a storage facility for $675K. But look at the guy. He would be the first one to tell you he didn't have cash. It was 95% seller financed, $40,000 down on a $675,000 deal.
95 sellers finance. The deal I'm working now is about 75% sellers finance. And then the way you can come up with the rest of the money is you can go to the bank or you can get an investor. I recommend even if you had that 40,000, OPM is the way to go, baby. Sellers finance is key.
At 3% over 20 years. He was profitable in the first week, and I've seen the car wash myself and been here many times. This business goes to show that nobody needs to come from money, because both these people didn't, but they understood the same thing. A seller with no buyer lined up will take a creative deal over no deal at all, and that will be your name. Oh, and if you want to learn exactly how to structure those conversations, I will teach you that. You can go to msm.live or click the link below, or you can scan this QR code. This one, B-tier. It's the easiest business on the list to start and one of the harder ones to scale. So know which version you're building before you buy the sponges. But we've seen people make thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions with all levels of the game. Content creation. Now, I know what the comments are going to say. I'm a content creator. How can I put this in here? I'm going to tell you exactly why. It's because I'll show you my actual numbers. Not a range, not a best case scenario, but I'm going to show you the most honest account I think I've ever given you. And for every number I show you, I'm going to show you what it took to get there. Because sometimes people just show you the highlight reel, especially on social media, and that's why people make bad business decisions.